Hi Facebook, welcome back to Fire and Flood's Facebook videos. This is part 2 of our 3-part series. If you watched part 1 last time, what we did is talk about your declaration page and what your limits on coverage are and how to read it. So as usual, thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, and share down below. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. We'll answer them right away and we'll let you know kind of what's going on and how we can help you. So this is part 2. We're back with the same Liberty Mutual insurance policy I used last time. Once you get past the declaration page, there's going to be a table of contents essentially, and it's going to tell you everything that's in your policy and what these 50 pages actually talk about. So real quickly, as you can see, these are going to go over your property coverages, and then it's going to go into perils against, insured against, and then exclusions. And they've got all the exclusions listed out, right? So we've got ordinance or law, earth movement, that's like earthquake, you got to get separate earthquake insurance. Water damage, power failure, neglect, war, nuclear hazard, intentional loss, and weather conditions. Now don't get upset about water damage, or I'm sure you might have a question about that. That's for a specific type of water damage. And what that actually excludes, what type of water damage is excluded is outside groundwater. So if a city pipe breaks or a fire hydrant explodes and water comes into your house from the ground, they're going to exclude that. That's in your policy. You would think that would be covered. It's not covered. You have to read your policy because not every policy is the same, but most policies will exclude groundwater. And so that's number one. The next thing I want to talk about that's really important is a seepage endorsement. This is what almost every policy is going to have. And this particular Liberty Mutual policy, what it talks about is seepage. And what that means, what seepage means is a leak that's been going on for 14 days or longer. So when you file a claim and you talk to your insurance, you have to be able to prove that that leak was sudden and accidental and it hadn't been ongoing for a long time. So if you notice a leak in your bathroom and you let it sit for 14 days, insurance will not cover that. You have to report it right away. There are responsibilities that you have as an insured. Number one is report your claim right away. Do not let the damage get worse. So if you do notice a leak and it is causing damage, you got to do everything in your power in a reasonable manner to remedy that situation as quickly and as efficiently as possible, and make sure you call your insurance right away. So that's something you need to know about exclusions and endorsements in your policy, what type of stuff is covered, what type of stuff isn't. As usual, please like, please comment, please share below, and let us know how we can help you. This is Pratik Shah again with Fire and Flood Attorneys.